we traveled by Himalayan heli to the Chardham, to Yamunotri, Gangotri, Kedarnath and Badrinath. All the travel arrangements were great. Helicopter service was great, staff was great. All the hotels, even though they are in a remote area, with the basic services, but they were good. And the one in the Badrinath was very good. Hotel staff, hotel food was good. And I like to say, excuse me, the Rawatji, I think he was at the Gangotri. He was very excellent. Even the one at the Badrinath, Kunal, and I think his name was Prakash or starts with P. And one at the Kedarnath was El Sastri or El Sarma, I don't exactly remember, LK something, and Hukam Singh. They were very good guide. And Himalayan heli services is excellent, and I will recommend everybody.